Well, hello there, my brilliant mathematicians. Today we're going to continue practicing two-digit subtraction strategies, and today we're going to use quick pictures to help us find the difference of these two-digit subtraction problems. So just as a reminder, quick pictures means we show the number using 10 rods and ones, and it's quick. It doesn't take a long time. And for these problems, I want you to organize your tens and ones into let me show you, tens and ones chart, which we've made before, just to help keep you organized. So the first thing we need to do is draw out the first digit in the problem, which is 65. And 65 has 6 tens and 5 ones. So let me draw that out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I need 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And just as a reminder, you should only be watching. You will actually work out the next problem with me. I just want you watching right now. Now let's look at what we're taking away from 65. Oh, 16. Interesting. Let's look at the ones. So we need to take 6 ones away. Oh no, we do not have 6 ones. Well, what we're going to do is regroup a 10 rod into 10 ones. It's kind of like the backwards version of what we did for addition. When we had 10 ones and we'd take it over to the 10 side, this time we're taking a 10 and turning it back into ones. So as you might remember, a 10 rod is made up of 10 ones. So I circled it, drew my arrow back into the one side, and I need to draw my 10 ones that represent that 10 rod. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And because I used this 10 rod up, I'm going to cross it out. It's not there anymore. It doesn't exist. It's turned back into ones. Now I have enough ones to take away 6 ones. So let me do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you can do X's over them, or you can do a slash over them. I prefer X's. It just helps my brain remember not to count those anymore. But wait, we're not finished yet. Now we need to take 1 10 away because there's 1 10 in 16. There it goes. Okay, so now I can count up what's left. I have 1, I'm looking at the one side first. I know there's 5 in that first row, and then 6, 7, 8, 9. And then I'm looking at the 10 side, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 tens, which means my difference is 49. Now I know this might seem like it's a little overwhelming right now, but I know you're going to get this. It just takes time and it takes practice. And maybe it seems like a lot right now, but once you start working these problems out, I believe in you. You're going to get this. Okay, so while I switch to the next page, go ahead and make sure your whiteboard is in front of you and your marker is uncapped. And I want you to write this problem down. 43 minus 18. Have this problem written down on your board to one side, just like it's showing on the screen, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we need to find the difference for this problem. Well, the first thing I want you to do is draw out a tens and ones chart on the side. Make sure you label it T for tens, O for ones. Have that drawn on your board in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You want to make sure that you have enough space to draw out quick pictures. Don't make a little baby. Let me show you what might not be helpful. Don't make a little baby tens and ones chart. Make sure you have plenty of space to draw these quick pictures. And now we need to draw out the first digit in the problem, which is 43. How many tens are in 43? Did you say 4? Excellent. Draw 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, these are quick pictures. They shouldn't take long for you to draw. And how many ones are in 43? Did you say 3? Great. You need to draw 3 ones now. 1, 2, 3. Your ones might take a little longer to draw out using a whiteboard marker, but when you're on your iPad solving these problems, all you have to do is gently tap on the screen to make that little dot just like I did. Okay, so now we're ready to subtract 18 from 43. Well, let's look at 18. How many ones are in 18? Did you say 8? You are correct again. But wait a minute, we don't have enough ones there. I wonder where we can get some more ones from. Where did I get more ones from in this problem? Oh, that's right. I regrouped from the tens. So that's what we'll do this time. Circle a 10. Bring it over to the one side. And you need to draw how many ones? How many ones make up a 10? 10. Right. So let's draw 10 ones. Ready? I already have 3 there. Let me draw 2 more to make 5. But I'm drawing 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8, 9, 10. And there I have regrouped my 10 as 10 ones. So now I can subtract my 8 ones. But let's cross this guy out because we used him up. He's done. So now let's take 8 ones away. Ready? Cross out with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Now look back at that 18. How many tens are in 18? 1. So we need to take 1 10 away. Cross out 1 more 10. And now you can count up your quick picture to find the difference of 43 and 18. And I'll let you do that. Count up the ones that are left. Did you get 5? Wonderful. Now count up the tens. How many tens are left? You're correct if you got 2. If you didn't get 2 and you didn't get 5, you may have made an error with your quick picture. So go back and check that. So the difference of 43 and 18 is 25. And now you have 2 problems on Seesaw to solve on your own. Please show your work on these pages. If you get stuck, if you're not sure, refer back to the video, ask a partner nearby. But I believe in you, and I know this strategy is a little more challenging sometimes than the break-apart strategy, but it's a really good strategy to have in your brain when you're trying to solve these problems. So today you're going to need to solve problems from page 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then submit them to me. If you finish early, you can check your work and show me on your pages that you've checked your work. You can create your own problem that you would like to solve, and you can also go back and record yourself explaining how you solved all 4 problems. Okay, you're gonna rock it today, mathematicians. Have fun!